How to create a new event in Google Calendar. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to create a new event in Google Calendar. For that case, you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, go ahead and open up your Google Calendar. When you open up a Google Calendar, this is how it's going to look like. So right on this page, go ahead and tap the plus icon from the bottom right hand side corner. After that, you can go ahead and press on the event button. When you do that, now you can go ahead and add a title, what is actually the event. And when you do that, you can go ahead and select the timing as well by tapping on the time when you actually wish to do it, say 16th, and then click the OK button. And here you can also go ahead and select the time as well of which country you wish to do it. So, and if you don't want it to repeat, then just tap on does not repeat. If you wish to add other contact as well, you can do that by tapping on add people, and accordingly click the save button and the event has been added. So that's basically how you can create a new event in Google Calendar. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.